Oh, you see this? Oh, lemons. Better yet, lemon drops.
Let's make it. I'll make it, then shake it. You take it, then drink it. I'll make it, then shake it.
Welcome to Kinser's Keep.
Today we're going to be investigating the
Lemon drop.
Bum bum.
Interesting fact about the lemon drop.
Tell me.
According to legend, the lemon drop was created in the 1970s in San Francisco at a bar called Henry Africa's. Weird name, huh? Well, another thing that's interesting and weird is that it's the first fern bar in the country. What's a fern bar? It is a bar filled with plants. While it's still unknown who exactly created the lemon drop, what we do know is that it was invented for single ladies and it was very successful.
And it's still popular with ladies nowadays, but also guys too. Now, the original lemon drop recipe was made with 3 ingredients. That was triple sec, lemon juice, and citron vodka with a sugar rim. But we're not gonna make it that way. We're gonna use simple syrup, lemon juice, and Tito's vodka. I don't know about you, but I'm thirsty. So, let's make it. So first, grab a jigger. Doesn't matter what yours looks like. This is what mine looks like today. So, cheers. First, we're gonna grab simple syrup. And we're gonna be making 2 cocktails today. So let's put in 1 3/4 there, count, for each one. Another 3/4 to make it 1.5 ounces. Put that off to the side so I don't accidentally add more. Running low on fresh lemon juice. All right. And we're gonna add another 1.5 ounces once again because we're making 2 cocktails. If it was just one, we would just use 3/4 ounce. All right. There she goes. Smells like lemonade. All right, let's grab the vodka now. And we're gonna add 4 ounces. Yeah. That's 2. And that's another 2, which makes 4. Was that Sean Connery? Just disregard that. Let's rim those glasses. Not like that. All right, we're gonna take these. I mean, come on. Gorgeous, tastes great. All right, let's do it for the rocks as well. Beautiful. All right, let's go grab that large ice cube here. I'm gonna take that and we're gonna put that right in the glass. And the reason I'm adding a large ice cube is because if I added smaller amounts of ice, it's gonna get diluted more quickly as opposed to large ice that takes longer to dilute and melt. So, now that we got that ready, let's take our ice scoop here. And we're gonna fill the tin with copious amounts of ice. All the way to the top. If you don't have that much ice, that's okay. Just try at least to get some solid cubes in there, whatever shape they are, just so you have something to get the cocktail diluted and cold. That way the cocktail has a chance to come alive. All right, fantastic. Put that jigger off to the side. We're done with that. How easy is that? Just 3 ingredients. Big tin on top. Flip it over. Just hit it just so it seals nice. And then we're gonna do a nice medium to hard shake for about 5 to 10 seconds.
Let's make it. I'll make it, then shake it. You take it, then drink it.
All right. Now, it doesn't take much to open the tin. It really doesn't. You don't have to go crazy like this. You can just do it like this. It's there. Put that right there on the bar. Get that Hawthorne strainer. I use the tea strainer as well, just to make sure that the ice chips are fine strained out of there. If you like ice chips, go ahead. and just pour it in. You don't have to use the tea strainer. All right, look at that. Get every last bit there. All right. Then we're all done with that. Now let's get to garnishing so that we can get to drinking. All right. Put that off to the side here. Let's get a nice, man, I love lemons. Okay, here we are. Let's get two nice ones. Nice peels here. All right, now that that's done, put that off to the side. So dangerous. All right. Now we got these two awesome cuts of citrus here. So let's trim them up. Make them look gorgeous. All right. I like to do a diagonal cut at the end there. Wonderful. Now, beautiful. Just twist that like that. And then put, when it comes to the coupe, right on the rim of the glass. I mean, kind of looks like lips puckering, because that's what my lips do when I get down with lemons. All right. And then we'll place the other one right on top of the ice cube here in the rocks glass. I love the way that that looks. Perfect. And that is a lemon drop.
Sour Buck, Collins, Ricky Fizz, Flip, Daisy Smash, Cobbler Fix, Julep, Custom Made, yeah, let's run it back. Sour Buck, Collins, Ricky Fizz, Flip, Daisy Smash, Cobbler Fix, Julep, Custom Made, I'm in love with that.
And it really is that easy. Lemon juice, simple syrup, vodka, and you have it. The best things come into. Oh. Hey, we haven't cheered. Honey? We haven't even cheersed yet. Oh, cheers.
Oh, it tastes so good. Tastes like lemonade, which is dangerous. Where's the vodka?
Yeah, well, vodka's kind of like Waldo that way.
Thank you for joining us at Kinser's Keep.
And let us know, what's your favorite lemon drop recipe? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to drink responsibly and see you soon.
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me?